Check out this 2013 Toyota Tundra. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include brake assist, rear bench seat, AM/FM stereo, split bench seat, front head airbag, power door locks, and passenger airbag sensor. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.